He's like, you're the first vlogger I've ever met in real life. What's going on, guys? Just hanging out at the crib right now, waiting for Lily to get home. I wanted to explain what happened on those showings because I realized after watching the last vlog that I hadn't explained what happened. So I crashed and burned. Just the apartments weren't good fits at all for the tenant. The very first one I walked into, the tenant's jaw just dropped and she said, yeah, this isn't gonna work for me at all. And I was like, ooh. And she was just being like a total, you know what. But it's okay, because I left there excited. I was like, yes, like I don't gotta waste my time with her. You know what I mean? So she hated it, she hated me. It's okay, it is what it is. Hey, you're not gonna get along with everyone in the entire universe. Number two, I took the guy out to a couple different places. The units I showed him just weren't a good match. The first one was like a college apartment. So basically 5 dudes sharing 5 bedrooms. They were all in school and you just walked in and it smelled like the ganj. They were playing Fortnite. That wasn't gonna work for him. It didn't show well, it was messy. Not what he was looking for. He was looking for something nicer. Second place was nice, it just was crammed. It was a triple decker that they put up a wall to double the number of bedrooms, but it splits the overall space of each bedroom in half. So it would have been too cramped for him. So I struck out that day, swung and I missed again. The first lady was just very, very difficult to deal with. We didn't align, obviously. I probably misread her and didn't ask enough questions or the right amount of questions. And it was the first time going into the unit with her, which is part of the reason. So hey, some of that's on me. That's okay. I'm not ashamed to admit that, you know, I'm part of the reason why it went so badly. But hey, you get your ass kicked and you get back up, baby. That's life. And then the second guy I'm still working with, great guy, but now I know more what he's looking for, and it was good to, you know, meet him face to face, and you know, we can get him into one of my other places. So just want to explain that. We're chilling, probably just gonna kick back, watch some movie. It's my off day from the gym. It was the Boston Marathon today. Boston Marathon. So I'm not going into the city, and we're chilling, man. We're chilling. What's going on, family? Back at it again. Right now, just on the way home from the 9 to 5. Lily and her parents are going out to get some burgers, I think. It's currently 6:30, and I was supposed to get off at 5, but what do you know? That's what customer service is, you know? You're gonna get tied up from time to time trying to take care of everyone, and you know, unfortunately I didn't want to, but you gotta do what's best for the other person. You gotta serve, and that's what I did. And hey, there's gonna be days like that. I know it. It's a bummer because today's an off day for my workout, and I don't got anything going on real estate wise other than me like doing stuff on my computer. So like getting back late sucks. You know, it's different if I have to be here, like if I'm scheduled to be here this late, or you know, I have like stuff to do after work, like go into the city or something, which is most of the time. Then it's understandable when things come up unexpectedly and I have to be here, and that's time away from my lovely fiance. That sucks. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna dwell on it. I'm just gonna get home, relax, have some food, put in some grind, building the business, and we're gonna keep moving forward. That's what you gotta do sometimes, guys. You just gotta keep moving forward. Even when situations are beyond your control, just do the right thing. Put your head down, keep working hard. You know, complaining about it isn't gonna help you. You getting upset or frustrated at the situation is not gonna help you at all. You're the master, you're in control. All right, let's get it. Let's go home, get some food, put in work. way to the 9 to 5 right now. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? Just on my lunch break right now. It's a rainy day. It was actually hailing out this morning, which, welcome to New England. It's funny, I was talking to someone from Missouri the other day, and he's like, snow? Hell no. Say, we don't get any of that down here. And I got the spectacles on today. My eye was bothering me. I didn't want to shove a contact in there. So for those of you who don't know, I do wear contacts. I rarely wear my glasses, only at night when I take off my contacts. Well, I wear my glasses and I'm still gonna be up and stuff. But yeah, I don't like the look with the glasses. I just like my contacts, but obviously, hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I gotta see. I am showing a place tonight, so hopefully I'll be able to help this person out and we'll get them into a place. Hopefully they like the unit I have, and everything will be gravy. So I just got back home from the gym. Super dope thing happened to me. And there's a young dude that works there who we've said, hey, what's up a few times. But I was in the middle of one of my workouts and he approached me. He's like, hey, I just wanted you to know that I've seen your YouTube videos. And I was like, oh my God, thank you so much, man, really? He's like, yeah. He's like, you vlog? And I was like, yeah, I do. He's like, yeah, I really like watching them. I'm subscribed. He's like, you're the first vlogger I've ever met in real life. And I'm just so humbled and so grateful that he approached me. And it's like, wow, like, I'm really being seen. Someone's actually valuing my videos and watching them. So thank you guys. And I don't just say thank you so much for watching, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, legitimately, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the support of the channel. You know, my dude, Tony, thank you. And it was great because he said the reason he first saw them was because one of his other friends shared the video. So you never know, guys, who's watching, who you're influencing. So just be the best version of you and spread the love, spread the positivity, all right? So thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Subscribe. Thanks, guys.